Hello, Mindshifters. I finally found it. I have been looking for this for, I think it's been a month or two. Jicama. I found it at Wegmans. They put a lot of, like, I guess more exotic fruits, or maybe not fruits, or vegetables that are in season. So jicama. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this right now. I'm thinking I am going to make a potato bake, maybe with some ground turkey, something easy. I'm cleaning. I tend to do that on the weekend, and I'm still doing the purge series. So I think I'm gonna do something easy. So I'm gonna wash these, clean it, and I'm probably gonna dice it up, mix it in with some meat and some vegetables, and then bake it and do a little potato bake. But I'm so happy. You can do so much with jicama. It's definitely low carb and keto friendly. Hopefully I'll do some more recipes like hash browns and french fries, but I am so happy to find it. So I don't know if I'm going to take you through the process of cleaning this. I will have to see. Okay, stay tuned. So guys, I've peeled the jicama, and for some reason I always get it with my friends. When I cook potatoes, I of course clean them, but no matter how I cook them, I kind of boil them for a little. So I have the first jicama that I sliced and diced. I just kind of let it boil. And I got the meat on. I'm just gonna brown some meat real quick, and I'll show you guys the process. But I'm no perfect cook. I'm just an everyday cook, just a home cook. No any special way of cutting up anything. It's literally, I'm gonna make some dessert with this vegetable as well. This is a good vegetable. I like it, and I'm so glad it's in season. I'm pretty sure I could have went to the international market and found it. Well, you all know what I mean. Alright, stay with me, guys. Where's my bag? Okay, guys. Alright, guys. The meat is nice and browned. I'm going to start putting some seasoning. I'll try to give you guys measurements. We all know this isn't my strong point, but whatever taste that you like, you kind of play around with it. I love sort of onion powder. Woo-hoo. So I'm very generous with that. Excuse me. Oopsie, maybe a little too much. We like garlic powder. That's like a staple. Give me a second. Ooh, garlic powder. We do chili powder. We do black pepper. And I'm doing some cayenne pepper too. Like I said, I'll taste it in a little bit because I already know what I like though. Cumin, and I've got some more of that. And I'm going to put some Himalayan pink salt. And I'll mix that up. Then we're going to add our veggies. So I've added the veggies. Isn't that beautiful? That looks so pretty. Kind of let that brown a little. That brown. Oh, that smells good, guys. I have mushrooms, green peppers, onions. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, so I'm going to season the jicama. Add that, and then I'm going to make the cheese mixture, and then I am going to pop this in the oven. You can do it for 15 to 30 minutes, depending on what you like. Okay. Ooh, that looks good. So what am I putting in the potatoes or the jicama? I am actually putting some pink Himalayan salt. I'm putting some crushed red pepper. And I am putting some Old Bay. I love this with like any type of potato. My Old Bay seasoning. It's my staple, guys, for potatoes. Okay. He is generous. Like I said, I've made this several times. So, my black pepper. Okay, and of course, garlic, some more garlic powder. And I'll try to put measurements in there, but it's really when you start cooking, you can go off of recipes. I mean, I like to look at recipes too, but if you really like to kind of get in the kitchen and try things, you kind of have to figure out what works for you. So I'm going to try to mix this up a little. Where's my spatula? All right, kind of mix this all in. I wish I had a larger bowl. Do is you want to, ooh, that smells so good, guys. Mix that all in. Jicama is like it's like the keto or low carb tofu to me. Hopefully anybody's ever dealt with jicama, maybe you understand. It's actually kind of has a consistency like an apple. It kind of tastes like something, you can eat it raw too. But once you start seasoning it and putting it in stews and different recipes, it sort of takes on that flavor. Oh, this is so good. So, just again, you could do a fried potato with jicama. That's what I wanted to do. I ended up doing a rutabaga. So I'll show you guys how this looks before I put it in. Okay. Let me put some, I like mine is a little spicy, so I may put a little bit more red pepper. So yeah, okay. So that's what we're gonna take and we're gonna pour into the meat mixture. Okay, that looks so good. Okay guys, oh that smells so good. And you can put maybe a half a cup or a cup of water. I may do that in a little in there, but it looks so good. And again, you can actually make this a one-pot skillet meal if you want. I am just gonna make the sauce right here, guys. I don't have it over the burner yet. You all see me operating without my son, so it's hard, and I don't have one of those fancy things. So I'm using the Organic Valley, which I really like, heavy whipping cream, organic pasture raised. Guys, I'm not going to be able to give, I'll give you a guesstimate of the measurements because I'm doing this with one hand. And again, I like their mild cheddar, I like their Kobe. And they also have like a Mexican mix, which I have to go to the Mom's Organic to get. So I let that sort of heat up, and then I sort of add my little cheese in there. And I like a little spice chili powder and cayenne pepper. And when I put this down, I'm going to add some, I'm so sorry guys, some pepper. Okay, this is my little cheese mix. There we go. And so we're gonna pour some over and mix it up, and then we're gonna pour it also on top, and then we're gonna top it off with some shredded cheese. Okay. Ooh, that smells so good, guys. Just stare that. And this is cooking really good. Like I said, I know, laziness, I should get in a larger pan. This is what it's going to be. Did actually cut up some Kobe cheese as well. It's so good. I ate a couple bits of that. But this is, I sort of took some of the layer out, kind of layered the first, and again, I probably should have a deeper pan, but I can't find it actually. So I'm going to take the mixture and I'm going to pour it in. Okay. Look at this. Ooh, look at this. Okay. Kind of want it a little thicker. But look at that. Okay. That smells so good. I put the last of the bit and I'm going to layer it again with some the sauce, some shredded cheese, and a little bit of Kobe cheese. And that's it, guys. And I'm gonna bake for 15 and 30 minutes, okay? Or however long I can last. This looks so good. All right. This is pure laziness at its best. You see? I didn't even attempt. Just cut chunks of it. Poured the last of the mixture, and I am about to bake at 350 degrees for about 15 to 30 minutes. Okay. Guys, I just took this out the oven, and it looks so good. I am going to take a scoop or two, and I'm going to plate it, and maybe you guys can try it. It's so good. Guys, this looks so good and so cheesy. Again, like potato bake. Look at that. That looks so good. Hopefully you guys give it a try. Hopefully it's delicious. I am ready to dig in. Keto for Life by Mindshifters. It's so good. Look, guys. Hopefully it doesn't make gluten. Oh, there's some cheesy. Oh. Okay. Keto love, keto love, keto love. Ooh, ooh.